Why the SEC lawsuit is pushing XRP to the moon. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission started a lawsuit at the end of last year. The regulatory authority sued Ripple, a San Francisco-based payment company, and its co-founder Chris Larsen and Chief Executive Officer Bradley Garlinghouse in New York, saying that they had created a vacuum that allowed them to sell XRP into a market with the limited information they chose to share. The agency claims that both men benefited personally by around $600 million and ignored the legal advice to consider cryptocurrency as an investment contract and thus as a security. It accused them of selling the virtual tokens without registering them as such. Ripple has said that the SEC can't regulate XRP because, as a virtual currency used in international and domestic transactions, it's a medium of exchange and not a security. This all caused XRP a great loss, and it got delisted from all crypto exchanges. It's been 8 months and the lawsuit is still going on. Now there are proofs that we have already discussed many times in previous videos that this lawsuit is just a setup and a distraction for the investors, because the authorities know what is coming for XRP. And with the help of this distraction, the authorities are going to buy them all. It was also proved that once the lawsuit is over, XRP will reach the moon. But today we have a new side of the crypto trial of the century that will prove that this lawsuit was just to make XRP famous on a global scale and help it reach the new heights and levels. But before we get into the video, give it a like and also subscribe to know more about the interesting news on XRP. And as you know, that we have announced a giveaway of your favorite cryptocurrency, so don't forget to participate by engaging in this video. So for today, as you already know, we are going to put forward some facts that will prove that the lawsuit is here to take XRP to the moon. So after the lawsuit, XRP got delisted from all major crypto exchanges in the US, but it did manage to maintain its global acceptance. Ripple got involved in more financial institutions than ever after this lawsuit. The investors investing in XRP and Ripple did not care what the US regulatory authorities said about the payment company, and they continued to put their trust in Ripple. The lawsuit could not even bother the business Ripple was already in around the world. Now we are coming over the news of Ripple being partnered with some major banks every other day. According to the company's CEO Brad Garlinghouse, the lawsuit, has hindered activity in the United States, but it has not really impacted what's going on for us in the Asia Pacific. He further said, "We have been able to continue the growth and business in Asia and Japan because we've had a regulatory clarity in those markets." He even said that he did not know of any crypto exchange out of the US that delisted the XRP, and this lack of clarity in the US is just causing a hindrance in innovation. This proves that the lawsuit only affected the US side for Ripple, but the whole other world is accepting it more than before. This lawsuit was just being called the crypto trial of the century, and the whole world is looking toward this regulatory case. On one side, we can say that the lawsuit acted as a pseudo-event for the worldwide regulation of Ripple, and on the other side, the lawsuit will also take the value of XRP to the moon. It was not long ago when the attorney Jeremy Hogan warned us about XRP supply shock because of the lawsuit settlement. He had said in a video that if the payment company Ripple comes to a settlement with the SEC, we will witness a supply shock. For those of you who don't know about the supply shock, it is an unexpected event that causes a dramatic change in future output, or it is an unexpected event that suddenly changes the supply of a product or commodity, resulting in an unforeseen change in price. Assuming aggregate demand is unchanged, a negative or adverse supply shock causes a product's price to spike upwards. As reported by Daily Hodl, Jeremy Hogan discussed a scenario in which Ripple is able to settle its legal battle with the SEC, and how that turn of events could impact XRP. He explained that the settlement would likely include an agreement that would limit the sale of XRP to private sales for companies and clients, shrinking the supply of XRP on the market. The attorney said, "This would in effect limit or slow the flow of XRP into the marketplace. Sales to Section D or corporate purchasers cannot then be put into a public exchange for 6 months, maybe up to a year." A settlement containing this term would essentially bottleneck the flow of XRP into the market for years to come. He also said the settlement would put XRP in the clear as far as securities violations and such. Ripple would be the first crypto company to be 100% in the clear from the SEC. If the settlement happens now, or as predicted by the attorney, at the start of the next year, it will give XRP the clarification from the SEC, and being the only currency fully clarified by the US regulatory authority, XRP definitely will reach the heights we can only imagine at this time. There is another proof that XRP will hit the moon. We have always seen the Ripple CEO confident about the lawsuit. He knows that it's just a setup and they will come out as the victorious ones. During an interview in April, the CEO said about burning the coins in escrow that he is always welcome to the new ideas that will have a positive impact on XRP ecosystem. He said that Ripple can burn 61 billion of XRP tokens. This will bring the total supply market of XRP to half. Garlinghouse said, "I don't rule anything out, and I think the extent that there's things that make sense for the XRP ecosystem, then certainly Ripple would look at that." According to XRP News and data website XRP Arcade, there was 47.8 billion XRP locked in Ripple's escrow at the time of this interview. According to CoinMarketCap's data, this translates to nearly $66 billion and roughly 105% of the current circulating supply, or 47.8% of the total supply. A token burn is the process of removing a certain quantity of tokens from the circulating supply, which results in a reduction of the token supply, and just like supply shock, burning the coin also subsequently raises the token's value and price. Other than that, XRP is a currency that has countless reasons to go high. Again, regardless of this lawsuit, Ripple has increased the use cases for XRP Ledger. Ripple is continuously looking forward to new opportunities around the world. The new use cases for XRP Ledger will include DeFi, NFT, and smart contract capabilities through federated sidechain integration. According to Forecast about NFTs, in its latest business expansion, Ripple is looking to bring non-fungible tokens to the XRP Ledger as it seeks to tap into lucrative and growing NFT market, as well as expand its on-demand liquidity or ODL payments business around the world. David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, said in a Ripple Drop video this week that while collectibles are the biggest NFT use cases today, he sees a lot of potential for NFTs in other areas. A lot of us have sort of bundles of digital rights, like movies or songs that we purchased, books that you may have, or a Kindle, and they're typically tied to services that have monthly fees, Schwartz said. So there's an interesting future use case of allowing people to sort of be their own custodians of their digital rights. The XRP Ledger has a number of features that make it very desirable for NFTs, including low cost and high speed. Schwartz said XRP is also directly available on the ledger, so a user doesn't need to go to another ledger to make the payment. As for the value of XRP, it showed a remarkable price surge after weeks. The experts at FX Street say that XRP price has rallied roughly 19% over nearly 4 days, as it sliced through the range high at 0.785 cents. This uptrend tagged the resistance barrier at 0.827 cents, but failed to close above it. Therefore, rejection at this barrier will lead to a pullback. Supporting this narrative is the Momentum Reversal Indicator, or MRI, which flashed a sell signal in the form of a red 1 candlestick on the 4-hour chart. Investors can expect this pullback to lead to a new uptrend that aims to tag $1. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 78 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $4 billion USD. XRP is down 2.31% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $36 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think? Will the lawsuit help XRP and Ripple achieve the milestone? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway, click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.